Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm Freddie with Infinite Tech Services. Thanks for tuning in, and today we're actually doing a TV swap in a conference room. So we're going to be swapping these these old Vizio TVs for new Samsung QLEDs. We're also going to be doing some video conferencing hardware. It's a universal remote control, so it's definitely going to help with all the devices they have here attached. It's like their DirecTV, they have some ClickShare. Doing some video. We're almost wrapped up with this conference room. So right now what they're using is this Cisco Telecom. We're going to upgrade them to the Logitech Rally so they can have some video with their conferences. Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm Freddie with Infinite Tech Services, and we're here in this conference room, and we just finished swapping out these TVs. And one thing we noticed here in this room is they had this access point just with this wire dangling here. So even though we didn't have to do this, we're going to go ahead and do it. So what we're going to do, we're going to centralize it to the room and configure it so it can spread out evenly throughout the room.
Please download the SmartThings app on your mobile to start TV setup.
Because this light right here is beaming up. Alright, so a little quick update. We had to tone out this jack at the patch panel. So we switched those cables so it could so this one could be live now. We ran our wire up this conduit, we followed that route, and then we velcroed it here because we noticed that a lot of the things aren't drilled onto these beams and we didn't want to compromise the integrity of it. So now it's mounted, it's connected, and it's powered on, and it's ready to go. So we picked this particular spot just because it blends in with the room and it's centralized to the whole conference room, so it's in a better position than where it was, which also provides a lot better coverage. So we finally swapped out both of the TVs. We got those mounted and properly secured. We hooked up the HDMI extenders. We had that access point mounted. Last thing we need to do is program this TRC 1080 remote, a universal remote, to control this whole room. Yeah, so here at Infinite Tech Services, we don't only service residential homes, but we also do commercial buildings and installations like you've seen this one today. If that's something that you're interested in, please hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.